Welcome to the Cadence Academic Resource Center. From students and educators to future innovators, this platform is built for you. Let's take a quick tour of what's inside. Right here, get 6 months of free academic access to the same powerful tools used by top engineers worldwide. And don't miss our mini certifications, quick learning, and a short exam to take your skills to the next level, and earn a certificate from Cadence. New to PCB design? The Getting Started section guides you every step of the way, from beginner to advanced level. Level up with step-by-step tutorials, hands-on resources, and real-world design flows. Pick your path: schematic capture, circuit simulation, PCB layout. Each stream is built to enhance the skills you need. Quick filters let you target the exact topics you need. Looking to connect and grow? The Opportunities and Support area has you covered. Catch the latest PCB events happening around the world, and get inspired by amazing student projects or submit your own. And when you're ready to dive in, head over to Downloads and register for the free trial of our PCB tools and start designing today. Whether you're building circuits or building your future, the Cadence Academic Resource Center is your blueprint for success. Learn it, design it, build it. Only at resources.academic.cadence.com.